Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and from a different location, I welcome you to my Ielts speaking video. At the moment, we are here in Second Cup, Nathia Gully on main Nathia Gully Road, Murray Hills, Lahore. And we are really enjoying a lot this beautiful Second Cup here in the middle of mountains. It's very comfortable and cozy. After some time, we are going to enjoy fantastic coffee here. Well guys, the cue card of the day is describe a time you were very busy. Describe a time you were very busy. You were, which tense is that? Absolutely past tense. So now you're going to talk about a time when you were very busy and you got to think about it. Now it can be an occasion where you were busy. It could be an exam you were busy with, or it could be a family function, a party where you were busy, or it could be an assignment that you did, you were busy over there. So you can talk about anything, a special day of your life, a wedding day, your wedding or your best friend's wedding, whatever. So you can describe about any time. The cues are when it happened, where you were, what you did, and explain why you were that busy. Okay, so this is the whole cue card, and now I'm going to demonstrate. I'll try to speak on something good. Well, sometimes in my life I become more busy. Well, I start again. Well, sometimes in my life I become very busy. I am preoccupied with my work at certain times, but otherwise I've got plenty of free time. Today I would like to talk about a time when I was extremely busy. It was a very busy Saturday of my life. Well, this Saturday was actually the last Saturday when I had to do two things on the same day, and my day started at 9 a.m. and finished at 11 p.m. Well, I was at two different locations. First of all, I went to my friend's college. There is Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, and I had two sessions there actually. I teach English language there, so I had to teach two sessions there, and those two sessions took around 6 hours. In the morning, I had to leave early because the session timing was 9 o'clock and I had to be there before 9. It took me around 6 hours, and afterwards I had to rush to another place for Ielts mock test. Okay, so I was in Johor town for the mock test and Wahdat Road for my Ielts speaking sessions. Okay, well, I did a couple of things. When I was there at Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, I delivered lectures on spoken English and communication skills. I made students participate in certain activities, and when I was there for mock test in Johor town, there I had to supervise all the mock test. Okay, well, I was very busy because it was my busy day, the first thing. Secondly, usually I am busy on Saturdays, but that last Saturday became busier because more students turned up for mock test and I had to conduct their speaking mock test as well. Okay, now this was a real thing. Okay, I teach English at Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, who is my best friend, and then I conduct mock tests. So describe a time you were very busy. I talked about my busy Saturday. You can come up with anything like this. Well, for your kind information, in my actual exam I got 8 band in Ielts speaking. So if you speak the way I spoke, you may get around 7 band without any problem. All the best guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.